On 6th November 2020, the Khasi Students Union (NEHU) unit, while protesting against some anomalies in the entrance examination for students to various departments in the university, also informed that earlier suggestions to conduct cluster-wise entrance examination had been made to the concerned authorities. Speaking to newspersons, a representative of the KSU NEHU unit said that the recommendation of the Dean's Committee for merit-based selection of students to respective departments in the university will not be beneficial to local students of the state, even as a grace of 10 points had been recommended by the committee.
Ai daw bayo ka state women kampediang no Jadi ngila airu suggestion ke babiang nama university. Bakin pelong ya ki entrance exam haki cluster classroom. Dah ke baki follow ya ki special pa ya kini ki special operating protocol. Man punya jengai lah ni bangi punya kelak nak obat unu kena bawan nak bar jela. Oh kilak ban bu nak hak science cluster. Kita ki kena obat bene po jela jungi kin bu nak apa ke arts cluster. Namar ba ki hapo ada pelong ya ka entrance tumju pelong hakajuk ke por di department balakoi pelong kawai department hakawai sni kawai department kawai sni yasngo bakam dane jing bede ban maintain ya physical distances ladangi pelong makna ya ka entrance offline no.
Besides other important issues, he also urged the university authorities to conduct the undergraduate degree examination for backlog papers before the declaration of the final results.